Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to shine the spotlight on something that's literally going to light up your life. It's the Fenix LD45R. With its digital focus, that it's never been easier to switch from spotlight to floodlight. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a night adventure, or just someone that's like to be prepared. Let's dive in so I can tell you why the Fenix LD45R is the flashlight that you never know that you need. And before we start, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we drop them. The Fenix LD45R, with its elegant and functional design that places the flashlight control button and the focus wheel comfortably under your thumb. So you can control the flashlight output and the zoom. And an OLED smart screen so you can monitor the flash output and the battery usage level before the battery runs out. It also impact resisting and IP68 that make it waterproof. So if you drop it on a hike or you got caught in the rain, no problem. This flashlight is built like a tank, but it doesn't weigh like one. The focus control wheel has a textured design for better gripping and allows for a stepless control over spotlight and floodlight. Not like other flashlight that uses button to control the switch between spotlight and a floodlight, and you're only able to use one of them at a time. And its large 5000 milliamp battery, it can run for 65 hours on the lowest settings. And it's chargeable in flash thanks to its built-in Type-C charge port. Yes, Type-C, so no more hunting for the weird or old charge cables. It's a quick charge and you're back in action. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. So first thing, we see the manual and the warranty. Let's see what's inside this plastic bag. We got the lanyard cable. You can attach it to the flashlight. And we have a spare O-ring. Over here we have the holster. Very nice, durable. You can attach it to your backpack or to your belt. Very wide. And inside it, they stored the USB Type-C charging cable. And of course, the star of the show, the flashlight. With 5 general modes, start at 20 lumens, 150, 350, 1000, up to 2800 lumens of max power. With an impressive throw of over 1570 feet, you can slap the night right on its face. With the Fenix LD45R, you can switch from spotlight to floodlight seamlessly and everything in between. And 2 flash modes, one of them is strobe, the other one is SOS, which comes very handy in case of an emergency. The difference between a physical and a digital zoom flashlight, that's the physical one. It's not very comfortable, it's not very reachable to zoom in and out with one hand. Sometimes you have to use both hands, unless if you have a very large hand. And on top of that, once you're zoomed all the way in, you'll get that square fork looking shape of a spotlight. We don't have that problem with the Fenix LD45R because you can control it with one hand very smoothly and it sits comfortably under your thumb. And even when you're zoomed all the way in, you still get that round looking shape of spotlight. Simply by pressing the function button for half a second, it will turn it on. And with a simple press for half a second, you will turn it off again. On the general mode, pressing the function button to cycle through eco, low, mid, high, turbo, and back to eco again. To switch between spotlight and floodlight, simply rotate the functional wheel. That will switch between spotlight and floodlight. With its intelligent memory, If you turn that off, it will remember which power you were on and will start on that one. So we're on 350 right now. Gonna turn it off, turn it back on. As you can see, it's on 350 lumen. If you press it for 1.2 seconds, it will switch to flash mode. And if you press it again for 1.2 seconds, it will switch back to general mode. On flash mode, by pressing the function button, you'll switch between strobe and SOS. So there you have it. The Fenix LD45R is the flashlight that checks all the boxes. It's tough, it's bright, it's rechargeable, it's zoomable, and it's super portable. Whether you want to hike or you just need a reliable flashlight, this one got your back. Thank you guys for watching. And hey, if you use the LD45R, drop your thought in the comment. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.